These look what the mailman just dropped off, bestie. So your girl has been having a little fun lately, and we got us some stuff, bestie. So let's do a huge Temu haul. As y'all can tell, this bag was heavy. Where should we start off first? So, besties, I bought me some cowboy boots. And for you saying cowboy boots, okay, so y'all know I love trying out different fashion stuff. And y'all, if you know me, you know I'm like a very adventurous person, right? And I did not have no boots. I hope these boots fit. I got a size 11. I don't know, like, in boots, I don't know if you got a size up or not, but these feel like brand new shoes. Alright, but I hope these fit. Basically, these the boots I got. I got a size 11 because that's the size I wear in shoes. But if they don't, but if they're not the right size, I'll just, you know, buy something else. Oh, okay. So basically, so your girl is getting her car soon. I want to make sure my car stays clean. So I got this little car vacuum thing, and of course we had to get pink because you know pink is my favorite color. Basically, that was only $10. What is this? I bought some of this stuff. I actually kind of forgot what I got. Basically. Ugh, that irritates me. Okay, bitch, so this was part of my... That, it just irritates me, but anyway. So, Mother's Day was just here, bestie, and my mama is like a cool mama. So, we got her, I'm not like a regular mom, I'm a cool mom, which all the mean girls know that that's for mean girls. Okay. I forgot a lot of stuff that I ordered, so, okay, so, y'all know summer is technically here, like it's May. And me and my mama love us some good sunglasses. So this is part of her Mother's Day gift, but we got her some sunglasses. I forgot what this is. How do you open this? Oh. Okay, Bessie, so my auntie birthday is May 25th, so we got her, I'm not a regular aunt, I'm a cool aunt. And for only $5, you can't beat it. Okay, so there's this fun YouTube video that I'm going to be doing with my mom, and if you know, you know, but I need what is type of, this is like a heat comb or something. I don't know what it's called, but I needed that for the video, and this is only $10, so hope it works. Then the next thing we got, Bessie, what is this? Okay, Bessie, so this is part of my mom's Mother's Day. We got her a little, I need another skincare fan, so we got us another skincare fan. What is this? Oh, that's my shirt. We got this strawberry and blue t-shirt. And we got my mama some shorts, or it was part of her Mother's Day stuff, so we'll give that to her. And we got us some more exfoliant gloves. Bitch, that's why I got a 6-pack of these gloves for only $2. And y'all know I love my exfoliation gloves, so these are gonna come in handy. And what is this? Okay, so basically we got us a case for my Nintendo light. So if you don't know, I have a Nintendo Switch light. I got it a pink, of course, and I wanted like a cute little case. And this was $5, and it's clear and glitter, so I'm excited to put that on. Okay, these are all glasses, bitch. These are all glasses. I think. So let's get into. Okay, so basically, so my auntie wanted some perfume for her birthday, so we got her this perfume. Let me take the plastic off. We got her this perfume, bestie. I hope it smells and I hope she like it, but we got her this perfume. And then, what is this? What is this? Baby, that's what I'm saying. Like, I bought this like a long time, not a long time ago, but I bought this. This is my box cutter. I don't know what this is. Okay, oh. So I got my mama this says, it says, what, is this plastic on here? Oh, please tear off the film. Wait, what? Thank you for being such an important piece of my life. See, it's a little puzzle piece. I thought it was cute. Okay, what is this? Okay, so we got me and my mama some matching ankle chocolate. See, if you know me, this one of my favorite things to do at a pool besides swim is look cute and have fun. So we got us a little charm bracelet. Oh, it came in 3 different pieces. Okay, y'all know, if you don't know this, I am a charm bitch. Like, I love a good charm bracelet, bestie. So, we got some more glasses. So, let's see. All the glasses I bought her, I did get me a pair as well, because I know I love my glasses. Ooh, these like a little coffee cup. I feel like those are very cute. Okay, okay. Ooh, okay, these are cute as well. Y'all, I need another box cutter. That's what I need. Okay, okay, okay. These are cute, but bestie, I hope you enjoyed this. See you all, bestie. And until next time, bestie. Bye, bestie.